Look at that rainbow. Just a beautiful morning. We have left Catania yesterday. Today we have a Seaday. We are going to Athens in Greece. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful rainbow. You can see all the colors: green, yellow, red, a little blue next to green. Fantastic. Sun is coming up. Look at the water, so blue. Gorgeous morning. Great bake-off today on the NCL Epic. Pastry chef and the cruise director.
Reminds me when I did some plumbing job in my home with the silicone in the bathroom. Zero waste. Okay, what's now?
So let's taste the result of the great bake-off. I took a piece of the head pastry chef. So let's have a look how it tastes. Black Forest cake. Enjoying a salad at the Garden Cafe. I'm sitting outside. Weather it's okay. Temperatures around 20 degrees. What a fun event in the atrium today. Dance class with Burn the Floor. We do the cha-cha-cha today. Cool. Class with the staff of Burn the Floor, cha-cha-cha. There is now in the atrium a presentation about the new Norwegian ships, Norwegian Prima class. They are introducing Prima and Viva.
Norwegian Viva, sailing 2023.
Special clouds formations throughout the day today on the way from Catania in Sicily to Athens in Greece. It is a sea day, so lots going on the ship. There was a bake-off this morning in the atrium, then the sexy leg contest on the pool side. And the sun was shining, but also it was raining at the same time, so quite bizarre. So it's speed trivia tonight on the NCL Epic. Let me record GP and let's see how far I come and how quick I am.
Okay, now the two main characters in the movie Titanic. Very good. Which are not found in the deck of cards. Very good. Who invented the telephone? The Wright brothers. I don't want to confuse you. Which is a human body part? Oh, yeah. Left your hand. Yes.
So today I'm having dinner at the Moderno, Churrasceria, a Brazilian steakhouse. It works like that you have a salad bar to start with. huge salad bar. And then the waiters, they're bringing all kind of meat, so you choose when they come if you want to have it or not. On the table you have a cart. It has a red side and a green side, so if you are hungry, if you want to have more meat, you put the green side on the table. If you're done, then you put the red side on the table, so the waiter knows if you have more or if you're done. So, let me start with the salad bar. I'm gonna start with a Brazilian bean soup, and then a plate from the salad and appetizer buffet. Let's have a look at the wine list here at NCL. If you have the Premium Plus package, you can get all the wines by the glass and the bottles where it says Premium Plus. So this is included. If you have the regular beverage package, you are entitled to have all the wines by the glass up to $15. And if you have one which is more than 15, then you just pay the difference plus tax. So I have the Premium Plus beverage package. So let me look what I'm gonna have today. I thought, because I'm in a Brazilian steakhouse, I thought I'm gonna go with the Terrazas de los Andes, a Malbec wine, the Reserva. That would be usually $20 by glass, but as I have the Premium Plus package, it's free of charge for me. The wine list is divided by sparkling and white wines, and then red wines on the other side. For example, in the bistro I had the Champagne Veuve Clicquot. It's usually $31 by the glass, but with Premium Plus it's free of charge. Then we have sweet wines, then we have white wines with light intensity, medium intensity, and at the end we have the red wines, light intensity. Then we have the red wines, medium intensity. The waiter just brought me the plate for the main course. And we have red wines with full intensity. For example, you have an Opus 1, that's $375. If you have the Premium Plus package, you get 40% discount on the bottle price. Or the Sassicaia, it's $355. Again, if you have Premium Plus package, 40% discount on the bottle price. So that's the wine list of NCL. Let's have a quick look at the starter buffet, the antipasti and salad buffet, had it here at the Moderno Churrasceria. You have like specialty salads like tabbouleh or couscous salads. Oh, I didn't see the shrimp salad when I was here, so that's for next time. You even have sushi. Cheese, of course. Also prosciutto, smoked salmon. We have the soup. There's another soup and the garnish. Salad dressings, and of course some olive oil and vinegar and toppings. Looks really good. That is the dessert menu of the Moderno Churrasceria. We have a coconut flan, rice pudding, chocolate coconut, tres leches cake, and a banana caramel meringue tartlet. So I'm so full from the starters and the meat, so I don't gonna get dessert today. If I would take one, I would go for the banana caramel meringue tartlet. Oh, ready for Pricilla, queen of the desert.
Funny and love foul language. So get ready for a hilarious and naughty night as we travel across the Australian outback. Men, grab hold of your heels. Ladies, grab hold of your men. And kids, grab hold of your floaties and head back to Splash Academy because we are about to get filthy and fabulous.
So, just walking out of Pricilla, queen of the desert, I'm absolutely flashed. It was fantastic, absolutely fantastic.